Hi all, this is Ruth from Tiju's Academy and welcome to another video. Today I am here to share some useful OET speaking tips. While speaking to the patient, by the middle or by the end of the conversation, you are trying to give some suggestions or offer some advices. So here are a few expressions that you can use while giving some suggestions. The first expression that you can use is, it is important that. So let's see an example. It is important that you take your medications regularly. Second expression that you can use is, I suggest that. So let's see an example for that as well. I suggest that you take a bath and go for a short walk. It will make you feel much better. Third expression is, if you like, I could. So here's an example. If you like, I could ask the nutritionist to give you some dietary guidelines. How does that sound? The fourth expression that you can use is, the most important thing is to. Let's see an example. The most important thing is to, for epilepsy sufferers, to avoid sports such as diving, swimming and rock climbing. So these are the expressions you can use for making suggestions. While offering advices, there are many other ways to offer advices, and you can demonstrate your language skill by using some of the more complex structures. Let's see an example. I advise that you take your medications regularly. Second expression you can use is, my advice is that. Let's see an example. My advice is that you continue taking this medication. Third expression you can use to offer advices is, what I would like you to do is. Let's see an example. What I would like you to do is to reduce your alcohol consumption to no more than 2 standard drinks. So I hope these tips are useful to you. Please use this expression while you are preparing for your OET speaking subtest. We will meet again with another video. Bye for now.